In this video, you'll learn how to activate and validate an SSL certificate for a Namecheap domain using cPanel. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to paste, and how to confirm that the certificate is properly issued and trusted. Let's start with generating a CSR, which stands for Certificate Signing Request. This is a block of encoded text that contains information about your domain and your organization, and it's what the certificate authority uses to issue your SSL certificate. First, log into your hosting account and open cPanel. Once you're inside cPanel, look for the SSL or security section. Find and click on SSL TLS. On that page, you'll see several options, including one for certificate signing requests or CSR. Click the option that lets you generate or manage CSRs. You'll now see a form that asks for details like your domain name and some basic contact information. In the field for domain, enter the exact domain you want to secure, usually in the form of yourdomain.com. If you want the certificate to cover the www version as well, many SSL providers will include that automatically when you use the root domain, but double check your SSL provider's instructions if you're unsure. Fill out the remaining fields clearly and accurately. You may be asked for your city, state or region, country, and an email address for contact. For most simple websites, you can leave optional fields like organization unit blank unless your SSL provider specifically requires them. Once you've filled in everything that's required, submit the form. cPanel will generate a CSR for you, and you'll see a big block of encoded text. It usually starts with something like begin certificate request and ends with end certificate request. Carefully highlight that entire block, including those begin and end lines, and copy it. It's a good idea to paste it into a text file as a backup so you don't lose it. Now switch over to your Namecheap account where you purchased your SSL certificate. In your dashboard, find the SSL product you want to activate and click the option to activate or set it up. Namecheap will ask you to paste in the CSR you just generated. Paste the full CSR block into the field, making sure there are no extra spaces or missing lines, and then continue through the activation steps. Next, you need to validate that you own the domain. This is a required step before the SSL can be issued. Namecheap will typically offer you several validation methods, such as email validation, DNS record validation, or uploading a specific file to your website. The idea is simple. You must prove you control the domain the certificate is for. If you choose email validation, you'll receive a message at a standard administrative address like admin or webmaster at your domain. Open that email and follow the link or instructions to approve the request. If you choose DNS validation, you'll add a special DNS record provided by Namecheap to your domain's DNS settings, then wait for it to be detected. If file-based validation is used, you'll upload the provided file to a specific path on your site using your file manager or FTP. Once Namecheap confirms that validation is successful, they'll issue your SSL certificate and provide you with the certificate files. You'll then return to cPanel, go back into the SSL TLS area, and use the Install and Manage SSL option to paste or upload the certificate details. After saving, your domain should load over HTTPS with a secure padlock, confirming that your SSL is active and valid.